Hello Theo, I hope you're well. Pauric here. Well spotted with the move of the two fingers moving as a unit. Not many people pick up on this, but it's a skill that we all have to learn consciously, even the most talented guitarists. The quickest way is through an exercise like this, but it does also come over a few years of just practicing changing chords. If you go to a C chord, and from there, if you just take these two fingers down as a unit, you will see that you can do that without moving your first finger. So you use it as a pivot and back up. You're also not moving your thumb and you're not moving your space between your hand and the guitar. That's the quickest way to groove that skill. From there, if we look at C, say G chord, and let's take out the little finger. And if you want it exactly, my finger doesn't press, it hovers there because I never actually sound the fifth string on a G, but I like to have it there to make the change to the C easier. And also the change then to the F major 7 underneath. And into this little, which is a type of a B flat chord that I seldom use, and down to the D. And step by step back up to the B flat, the F major 7, the C and the G. If I put all these chords together, G, C, F major 7, B flat, D, reverse them to B flat, F major 7, C and G, you will see it's the same thing as just these two fingers moving up and down as a unit. So that's what I recommend that you practice. If you keep your hand clawed and firm, it will also be easier to do. And then from there, you would, when you're coming to C, you would add the first finger. F major 7, you've got the pivot. And I would possibly skip the B flat even. I don't use it hardly at all, but I would go down to the D, get these two on first, and then this. Your long-term goal is to be able to get all fingers off together. That's the easy bit. On together is the hard bit. Off together, on together. Off together, on together. And only by being able to move these two fingers as a unit will you be able to accomplish that.